Is your Sharp TV displaying a frustrating blue tint that's spoiling your viewing experience? It can be quite annoying. You're not alone in facing this pesky problem. In this guide, we'll show you how to fix blue tint on Sharp TV so you can get back to enjoying your favorite shows and movies in vivid, accurate color. Step 1. Access the Picture Settings menu. The first step to rectify the blue tint issue on your Sharp TV is accessing the Picture Settings. Using your remote, press the menu button to bring up the on-screen menu. Navigate to the Picture Settings option. This menu is the key to unlocking several settings that can help adjust the color output of your TV. By exploring this section, you can tweak various picture settings that might be causing the tint issue. Step 2. Adjust the color temperature. Now let's delve into adjusting the color temperature. Setting the correct color temperature is essential as it can greatly influence the hues in your display. Look for an option labeled Color Temperature in the Picture Settings menu. Test various settings such as warm, normal, or cool. Typically, warm settings reduce the dominance of blue tones, balancing the color display towards warmer yellows and reds. Adjust accordingly until the blue tint is reduced or eliminated. Step 3. Fine-tune color and tint settings. If adjusting the color temperatures doesn't fully resolve the issue, it's time to fine-tune the color and tint settings. In the Picture Settings menu, find the settings labeled Color or Saturation and Tint or Hue. If adjusting the color temperature doesn't fully resolve the issue, it's time to fine-tune the color and tint settings. In the Picture Settings menu, find the settings labeled Color or Saturation and Tint or Hue. Increase the color setting if you feel other colors are too muted compared to the blue, and adjust the tint or hue to shift the color balance towards red or green, which counters excessive blue. Make small incremental adjustments and assess the color changes after each tweak. Step 4. Check the external device connections. Sometimes the blue tint may not be due to your TV settings, but could be related to how your external devices connect to the TV. Check all the cables connecting your external devices, such as cable boxes, streaming devices, or Blu-ray players. A loose or faulty HDMI cable can introduce color distortions. Ensure all cables are securely connected. If necessary, try a different HDMI port or cable to rule out hardware issues. Step 5. Reset to factory settings as a last resort. If you've exhausted all the above options and the problem persists, resetting your TV to factory settings might be the last resort. This step will revert all settings to their original state, which could solve the color tint problem. Still within the menu, find the System or Settings option and choose Reset or Factory Reset. Be aware that this will erase all saved settings and preferences, so use this step sparingly and as a final measure. Fixing the blue tint on your Sharp TV may seem daunting, but with these steps, you can tackle the issue head-on and restore the vibrant color balance you desire. Whether you're adjusting the color temperature, fine-tuning specific settings, or checking connections, each step brings you closer to a perfect picture. Remember, if all else fails, resetting to factory settings is a viable option. Now that you know how to fix the blue tint on Sharp TV, sit back, relax, and enjoy a crystal clear viewing experience.